How to change iPhone color back to normal. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change iPhone color back to normal. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your settings. Tap on your settings, and after you're on your settings, head over to accessibility. Tap on accessibility, and on accessibility, you'll see an option under vision that says display and text size. Tap on it. After you've done that, simply search for an option that says color filters. So tap on color filters. Now, if this is turned on, your screen will be of different color. Now, you might not be able to see it on your screen right now, but on my screen, it's completely red. So if you want to change it back to normal, all you have to do is toggle off the color filter option. After you do that, your iPhone's color will change back to normal. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.